What's going on, guys? Just want to let y'all know this is a cash proof, so don't have to make this video extra long. Actually, this probably might be one of the shortest videos I've made in a while. Definitely one of the shortest videos of this year. Get straight to it, guys. Remember when I used to always pull out the 200 or 2,500 points, which is $2.50. Then one day I told myself, hey, let me save and try to get 5,000, which is $5. Then I told myself one day I'll get to 10,000, and I actually did, guys. So here go the payment proof right here. I'm gonna show you how many times I pulled out total. 9 times I pulled out, as you can see. First time I ever pulled out was 2016, and now look. Always been a lot of 250s and 1.5, and now I got 10. Hopefully the next payment proof I'll show you be 25, and all I do is download this app. Go ahead and log out of there real quick, guys. Show you that. Boom, right there. Pay me $10. Payment proof right there, guys. All right, just letting y'all know that this app does pays very well, guys. So if you want to come join Mr. MMO, Mr. MC. Let's get it. Let's go. Cashpirate been around for a minute, guys. They ain't going anywhere. So I advise you guys get on board. Let's get it.